So this versus this. So I would say this month's winner 15 versus $25. Hey beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. We are comparing Ipsy Glam Bag versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June 2020. Without further ado, let's get to the video. And this one we got for the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of June 2020. We got yellow, and this is almost like mint green. And this one is yellow inside, and this one is also yellow inside. So could decide like which color you like the most, like yellow or mint green. So this is for Glam Bag and this is Glam Bag Plus. So that is that. And next we have got this one. This is Sugar Call of Honor Intense Kajal Blackout from the brand Sugar in the Glam Bag, and in the Glam Bag Plus are Sally, and this is full size and it's a liquid liner. So here we got the kajal. I think this is to apply for the lash line, lower lash line, and this is for to wing it out. So good combination. So this is one and this is one. I like both of these. Here we have the double cleanse oil to foam in the Glam Bag, and this is oil transforms into gentle foam for an easy one-step cleansing oil foam. How to use it? Apply to areas where cleansing is needed, massage gently and clean with lukewarm water, and it's made in Korea, not for resale. Okay, so this is the size that I got. This is how it looks. Awesome. Next Glam Bag we have this one right here. It's the Real Girl Power. Oh, look at this. This is so tiny and cute. Where is here? It says Real Her, and it says Girl Power in here. Awesome. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the lipstick that we got this month. And next, this one. This is really huge, you guys. And for the Glam Bag for $15 a month, it's a steal. This is how it looks. Now let me try. I think this is the highlighter. Wow. Okay, that looks good. Now time for blush. Okay, it's not that bad. That is that. Awesome. And we also got the face mask here. And going back to Glam Bag Plus, we got the Dr. brand, and this is Luminizer Primer from the Dr. brand. I think the price is $38 on this one, and this is one of those high-end skincare line. And this one says apply to clean, moisturized skin, use alone for the natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup. Awesome. And next we have Pure Heals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Field Mask. And what's the price on this one? This one price is $26. This is how it looks inside. Okay, and it's the charcoal mask, if you could see that. And price on this one is, as I already said, it's $26. And next we have the this one, Honey Jar, and this is clean cover cushion, and it's in the number 4, tan cacao. Let me show how it looks inside. This is how it looks, and there is this one to apply. And let me show the shade that I got. This is how it looks, and I did already try it in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. If you haven't seen that already, please check it out. And price on this one is $29. And next we have this one right here. It's Ciate Marble Metals Glitter Eyeshadow. Okay, so this is the product, and this is how it looks inside. And the price on this one is $24. So let's see the price of these ones overall. Dr. brand is $38, and Arceli liquid liner $16, and this one is Pure Heels, and this one is $26. And next we have Honey Jar, and it is a cushion foundation of $29. And this one right here is Ciate London, and it's eyeshadow of price $24. Now let's compare this with the Glam Bag. Glam Bag, we got Mask Duo this month, and this is the mask that we got in the Glam Bag Plus, that is the charcoal mask. And we have got the cleanser, and I don't think we got any cleanser in here this month. We got the primer to apply after cleansing. So that's the duo that we got this month. And next we have the foundation and in the Glam Bag Plus, and lipstick in here in the Glam Bag, and Ciate London Wicked eyeshadow, and this one blush and highlighter in Glam Bag, and this one in Glam Bag Plus. And in both the bags we got liners. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but this one goes under the lash line. That's what I usually apply, and this one above the lash line, that is upper eyelid, to bring it up. So that's pretty much it. So let's see who the winner is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In here all of those products, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the products that we got in Glam Bag. So these are the products, Glam Bag Plus. So these are the products. So this versus this. So I would say this month's winner, $15 versus $25. Which one should I choose? One foundation and the what is that, eyeshadow, and the mask, primer, and liner. And here we have the sheet mask, lipstick, cleanser, eyeliner, and the blush and highlighter. I think this is the winner. Sorry, Glam Bag Plus, you lost it. And the winner is Glam Bag this month. Hey, congrats to the winner. We have the sheet mask duo and the oil to foam cleanser. I'm really excited about this one, and also Girl Power lipstick. And this one, this is a really big size, and I didn't expect this. And here is the liner. So out of all, I'm so excited about this thing, and also the lipstick. So well, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. And thank you for visiting my channel. Love you guys so much, and so be good to each other, stay safe, and bye from me and also from the angel. Bye.